So here's the carburetor. It's been cleaned out. This is off of the white, the Oppie white. It's time now to put it back together. See if she's gonna run. With the carburetor off, it makes a nice wrench holder. Whoops, knocked the spacer loose. Carburetor has a lift kit. And it is now time to put the carburetor back on. So we just drained the gas tank. Water is heavy in gas. It was trying to run on water. Now, once we put this gas back in without the water, she should run. Pour a little vinegar in your carburetor. Got the starter apart, put some grease, oiled one end, put some grease on the other end. Should spin better now. I'm going to put it back together and then we can start this baby up. The carburetor is back on. We're going to see what happens. Tell him back on so it don't run hot. Other way maybe? There you go. So I'm out with my future Craftsman project and I've literally done nothing to it. I'm right now counting votes from the last video. Right now I do believe the Army Green is in the lead. I do have some clear coat. I'm on the fence. I could go either way. Clear coat would look good. Army Green would look good. If we do go with Army Green, I'm thinking maybe star on the hood, just like what's on this shirt. Up first, I think I need to pull this engine out. I don't believe that one's going to run. The head's been pulled. The plug's been missing. Yeah. Boat anchor. She might be out of gas.
I'll drive and Spencer can push.
Sounds good. Back in business. Yeah, we're going to say 89 was the right size for this one. It is about time for a test drive. Troy belt needs a new belt. We're gonna pull it to the shop. Troy just got a new belt put on. Maybe time for a test run. Might better put the fenders back on first. Okay, just pulled this muffler off the froze up Oppie on the Craftsman. Kind of want to hear what it sounds like. Let me see if this automatic starter works. Just came back from the store. I went and bought some gas for the mowers. Somebody left some diesel for my tractor. I got these two boards. That's going to be a shelf. I'll show you those in a separate video. In the bag there's a tube of grease, and on clearance they had a winch. I think the dually wanted a winch on the front. Oh, and the boy got a belt. He's over putting the belt on right now. We'll walk that way. The Murray and the new belt is on. This is a 92-inch belt. Good and tight. It has a 6-inch pulley in the back. You can look up in there and see it. 6-inch pulley, blue belt. The just hooked the shifter linkage back up, and the boy's working on getting the steering hooked back up. Shouldn't be long. We'll be test driving. Now under the Troy belt, trying to get some better belt guards on. It's a pain when your belt comes off, especially out in the mud. I bet that one won't come off.
How fast does she go?
Want to guess?
12.
Huh. 5. Top speed 5. It must have been super slow from the factory. Horsepower update. Troy belt is running a 20 horse. The dually is running a 14.5 horse. John Deere is running a 22 horse. The White is running a 16 horse. And Murray has a 12.5 horse. The Motomo has an 8 horse.